It's story time with Natalia and Cairo. Cairo was having the best day ever. He raced his toy dinosaurs, built the tallest block tower, and even pretended to be a superhero. Soon, toys, books, socks, crayons, and stuffed animals covered every inch of his room.
Natalia, Cairo, it's almost lunchtime. Please tidy your rooms first.
I'll do it later.
I think your room has become a little too adventurous.
Oh dear, Mess Mountain is growing again. We need 2 brave siblings to help before all the toys disappear forever.
I didn't know a messy room could become this messy.
I think we can help.
We can't find our homes because everything is everywhere.
Don't worry, little bear. We're on it.
Let's get to work.
The stuffed animals went into a giant toy basket. The books jumped onto magical bookshelves. The socks found their matching partners, and the toy cars zoomed into colorful bins.
When everyone helps clean up after themselves, there's more room for fun, imagination, and adventure.
So if I clean up every day, I won't trip over my dinosaurs anymore.
Wow, your room looks amazing.
Today I learned that cleaning is much easier when we work together. A tidy room makes it easier to find our favorite toys and gives us more space to play.
I learned that waiting until later just makes a bigger mess. Cleaning up a little at a time is actually pretty fun, and I like how my room looks now.
And helping take care of our things shows responsibility.
And then we have even more time for adventures.
It's family challenge time. This week, spend just 5 minutes cleaning your room or play area. See how many toys, books, or clothes you can put away before the timer ends.
Turn on your favorite song and make it a cleaning dance party. I bet you can beat me.
Have fun, help out.
And keep your room adventure ready.
So, what did we learn today?
Learning is an adventure.
And every day is a brand new story.
Thanks for joining us on Storytime with Natalia and Cairo. We'll see you on our next adventure.